Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm going to be installing a U-part wig, and the wig I'm installing is from this company called Junoda. Inside of the box, the hair was inside of this pink bag along with a few other freebies that they sent me. Along with the hair, I got this stocking cap from them. Also this edge brush. I use these things all the time, so I know I'm going to need this. They also sent me a pair of lashes. And lastly, they sent me this edge scarf. These things come in very handy, especially because I do so much wigs. This is the wig. As you can see, the top of it is joined together, which I'm going to be cutting off in a few. The wig is 16 inches long and it's a straight bob wig. It feels really nice and silky. On the inside, it has two clips on the sides, a nice big black elastic band to hold the wig onto your head, and it also has another clip in the back of it. Another thing about this wig, it has a gathering inside, so if you have a larger head, it will fit you. If your head is smaller, it will fit you. I'm gonna go ahead and prep my hair for this wig, and by prepping my hair, I mean I'm gonna go ahead and part out a U shape in the front of my hair, and this is gonna cover the little opening that you see on the top of the hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and brush the back of my hair all the way to the back to make a ponytail. Actually, I did make a ponytail in the video, but then I took the ponytail out and I plait the hair instead and tuck it under to make it much flatter in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig on, but before I do so, these two strings that you see on the wig here, I'm gonna go ahead and cut them out. Installing the wig is very easy. All I have to do is use the clips that's on the wig and pin them right next to the parting. That's it. I mean, if you want extra security, you could go ahead and put some cornrows there, or braid 2 braids or 3, so the clips will have something strong or sturdy to grab onto. Now I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron the wig before I put my hair down on it. Before I flat iron my hair, I'm going to use this heat spray on it, and this will help to protect my hair from the heat. This is something I should have been using, a long time ago on my hair. I have it, but I don't use it. I always just cut corners and, my hair pay for it, which is the reason why I'm about to chop my hair off. Now I'm gonna straighten my own hair, and I'm only gonna be doing one passing with the flat iron over it. And now that I'm all done with the hair, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. So this is it, guys. How do you like it? I mean, for a U-part wig on natural hair, I really think it came out, good enough. When I first saw the hair, I was thinking it was too long, but since it's a U-part wig, I'm doing on my natural hair, I think the length is, okay. This is what the back of it looked like. It's not too full, so it definitely does look natural. The hair was pretty easy to install. However, I don't think I'm going to be doing any U part on my hair for a while, since I have to let my hair out and put heat on it, and that's something I want to avoid for as long as I can. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.